Do you want to reverse a video on TikTok? You can reverse the TikTok video before posting it with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To reverse a video on TikTok, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap the plus icon at the bottom center to create a new video. Now, either record a new video by holding the red record button or upload an existing video. Once your video is ready, tap next to move to the editing screen. Now, you will see different options on the right side of the screen. Tap on the effects icon located on the right side of the screen. A screen with different effects options will appear at the bottom of the video. Now, scroll left through the categories and select time. In the time section, select the reverse effect. TikTok will automatically reverse the video playback. You can preview the reversed video and make additional edits if needed. Once you're satisfied, tap the Save button. Now, tap on the next button, add a caption and hashtags, and hit post to share the reversed video.